guys, so I'm at the play area at my parents' house, and as you can see, it's pretty clean, but stuff is piled on top of each other. So today I'm finally putting together all of the IKEA things that I got in my last IKEA vlog. If you haven't seen that, you do need to go back and watch it. I got a bunch of storage solutions for pretty cheap. I think everything was about $500 total, and we are going to find storage for not only all these toys, but we're also going to organize the kitchenette area that's here in the basement. So whenever my sister is here with the kids, we just want to make it more orderly for her. I'm excited. I haven't done a lot of organization videos, but I'm very inspired. I've been watching Get Organized lately, and I think that we can manage this entire area. So yeah, let's do it. Besta is the besta. You guys, I was drilling and my hair got caught in the drill.
Oh my god.
And I'm very close to like a final destination moment.
Oh my god, I almost died. No. I almost died. I was so scared.
So I'm trying to hold on to the top of the drill, but I'm gonna have to call my mom because when I try to reverse it, it just goes closer up to my neck. So yeah, put your hair in a ponytail when you're using a drill. All right. Where's mom?
She's in the room.
Mom? Hey. Not good. I got the drill stuck in my hair. I knew you were gonna laugh. I could die if this doesn't go well. Mom, can you come help me? I hope not. I was drilling and my hair got like...
Which one's the backwards drill?
Well, that's what I was doing. No matter which way I do it, it takes it up into my hair.
Alright, hold on. I see. That's your fingernail. Okay,
So look, when I press it,
hold on. Don't press it anymore. Just hold up a minute. Just wait a minute, because you can't see what you're doing.
First thing, take out this. See if you can take this part out.
I need to see what I'm doing first. So let me move the head so I can move. Let me move the head so I can move, and then I can go from there.
Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, the most dangerous part is out.
Was that the bit?
Yeah.
Hold on, Julian. Wow, then you got something from this side. You went backwards again?
I was trying to go forward, like. I was trying to go the opposite. I was trying to go the opposite way of how it got stuck. So you know how to reverse it. You know how to reverse it, but even when I reversed it, it was still pulling it up and tangling it. Even it was. I didn't want to strangle myself. I was gonna strangle myself with my hair, and then the thing was gonna.
Don't touch me. Took a picture of it, that was funny. Yeah, this piece right here.
We just got this drill today. So we just got this today.
Okay, you want a hair tie?
Sure, yeah. Thank you.
I don't remember if I have one. I think I just had the one that you had.
Here you go.
I'm alive.
I'm free. I'm free.
Once I was free, I finished building the shelves and I came back the next day to put away the toys. The kids have so many books, so before we get started with anything, I wanted to get that out of the way. I decided to organize them by color because I feel that's the easiest on the eyes and it looks the most organized. The first step was to try to put all the toys into categories. Once everything was in its own section, it made it easy to put them in their place. Okay, so what you can help me do, Mom, is I have all of these plastic containers. You can help me separate everything into categories. So blocks.
Throw them out.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I was able to get all the shelves on the wall, and we did some organization of the books, and now we're going to put all the toys into categories. So I got these bins off of Amazon. I'll make sure to link them below. We're gonna put all the blocks in one, dolls in one bin. I'm thinking the dolls can go in here. So we're just organizing and categorizing all the toys right now. So here's the first spot. And you guys see this huge bin right here? Like, it's good to have a bin for toys, but there's no way to find what you need other than taking everything out, because it's not categorized into sections. So we're gonna take this apart and see if we can put these into categories.
My toy!
You gonna help me clean up your toys?
Yeah.
We're gonna put them in bins. You wanna put them in bins?
Yeah!
Alright, awesome. Ooh, and we got costumes as a category.
That's my baby.
Dress up as a category. We got balls as a category. Here's a ball. I used command hooks to hang the costumes, which makes it super easy to take down once they grow out of them. But I would use your own discretion, because at the same time, command hooks are easy to pull down with younger kids. And here's the before and after. Okay guys, that's it. So here it is. It looks so much more organized than it did before, and I think it's really good because the kids can see what they want and say, hey, I want that, instead of like digging out through a bunch of toys to find what they need. So I think it'll really help on the mess. I've already seen them like point to what they want and then just take out what they want. So hopefully this method works. I'm just gonna do one last thing, which is add doors to this, because it might not always stay this neat, and so I'm just gonna put the doors on so we can conceal the mess when we need to. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you watch next week's, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you next weekend.